guys, my name is Kate. I'm a senior studying mechanical engineering at the University of Idaho College of Engineering, and today I'm going to give you instructions on how to make a catapult, and we'll learn about some different physics properties.
For materials today, we're going to use 8 popsicle sticks, 4 or 5 rubber bands, some cotton balls, or if you don't have cotton balls, you can just ball up some paper into balls, and glue, and in this case I'm using hot glue. To begin building, you'll take 6 of your 8 popsicle sticks and stack them up, one on top of the other, and then secure them in place using a rubber band on each end. My rubber bands are a bit bulky, but they'll still work. Next, take another popsicle stick and lay it perpendicularly across the stack you just made. This stick is going to be the one you glue your lid to. Use a rubber band to crisscross around and secure it in place so it's fairly straight. If you like, you can use 2 rubber bands for this step. Next, take your last popsicle stick and use it to make a base. Line it up with the popsicle stick you just placed to make a V shape, and then secure it at the end with another rubber band. Finally, glue your lid to the end of the top popsicle stick. I'm using hot glue because it dries really quickly, but as long as it will attach a lid to a popsicle stick, any glue should work. Now that my glue is set, I'm going to test it out. Place a cotton ball in the lid and apply just a little downward force to the lid. If you apply too much force, it may break your glue. If you want your cotton ball to go higher or farther, instead of just applying more force, try increasing the length of the lever arm by moving the stack closer or farther away from the lid. You could also try to change the angle by adding or taking away sticks from the center stack. Now you have your own personal catapult. Have fun with it, and thanks so much for participating in our virtual expo.